Good morning. So this is day 16 of 30 days of healing. Please join me in energetic field repair. Your energy field has its own intelligence. It knows how to restore balance. Small fractures from stress, exhaustion, or emotional strain can begin to settle now. By the quiet night of Nyx, your field is gently held. By Hekate, guardian of thresholds, your energetic space is protected. By the steady hand of Abaddon, what no longer belongs in your field is released. Nothing is forced, nothing is rushed. Your energy remembers how to restore itself. Receive what your system is ready for. You guys have a great day.